Welcome back to my channel. Today we are just doing a fresh install on this blonde wig that I got from an Amazon vendor. I did have to tone this wig because it came the brassy yellow color that blonde wigs normally come in 613. So if you guys want a tutorial on how I tone my blonde wigs, let me know down in the comments below. Hopping back into this hairstyle, I like to cut tabs into my lace just to make it easier to work with when I'm ready to lay the lace down. I don't want to say the brand name of the glue that I'm using because the install only lasted a week and I used 3 layers, but when you're applying glue, make sure you use even layers. Make sure your layers are even as well, and I know you guys might be scared because I'm getting glue on some of my edges, but I took off my wigs properly. And by the time I'm ready to take off my wig, it's been lifting anyway. Do not by any means recommend putting it on your edges unless you're experienced with using wigs. Applying your layers of glue, make sure that they're dry before you apply the next layer, and make sure that you use the cool setting on your blow dryer. And once that glue gets tacky, then you can apply your next layer. Now I'm just using even spray to go on top of the layers of glue that I've done to try to get some extra protection to help the wig last a little longer. Putting on the lace, I bring the wig hairline a little bit more forward than my hairline so that the baby hairs pass where your hairline actually is. I did this so that I have enough lace and enough hair forward enough to create my own hairline when it's time to start cutting the lace. And then you just use your comb to press down the lace and comb back some hairs that may be in the way. Now you just repeat the same process on both sides of your ear tabs. Now I take a dab of hairspray one more time, the even lace spray, and I dab it by my ear tab one more time before I lay down to have some more security, because that's usually what comes up first when your wig starts lifting. Okay, so when it's time to cut out your hairline, try to follow your natural hairline as close as possible. And make sure not to cut any straight lines. Always cut in a zigzag, a diagonal. Never be too uniform because then it's going to be noticeable that there's lace on your forehead. The zigzag helps with creating the illusion, so don't be too neat. So this is definitely the time you should put some makeup your shade around the hairline to perfect any color imperfections. But I did not have any on me at the moment and I had to wait till I got home. So we're just gonna have to skip that part and fix it later on. Now I am just using my hot comb to make my part flat and flatten any flyaways. And that is all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram and TikTok for more content. Bye!